The Nothing Phone 3 is once again generating a buzz across the tech community, and this time it's due to a fresh leak posted by Rakesh Chakma on his official X, formerly Twitter, account. This new image might just be our very first clear glimpse at the front display of the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3. What grabs attention in this leak is the bezels, or rather the lack of them. The photo puts a spotlight on just how unbelievably thin the bezels are, and true to Nothing's signature style, the symmetry is flawless. The side bezels, the top edge, and even the bottom chin are all uniformly slim, giving the phone a super polished and ultra modern appearance that stays true to the brand's clean design language. If this image turns out to be real, and to be honest, it does look quite authentic, then Nothing could be gearing up to unveil one of the sleekest and most refined front-facing smartphone designs we've seen so far. The layout is extremely minimalistic, with a modern aesthetic that gives off a high-end vibe without trying too hard to grab your attention. It's subtle, stylish, and effortlessly premium. This kind of understated elegance is exactly what we've come to expect from Nothing's signature design philosophy. Although the leak doesn't reveal the entire device, even this partial front-facing view tells us a great deal about what's new. One of the most noticeable changes is the ultra-thin bezels, which create a more immersive viewing experience and give the phone a seamless edge-to-edge screen appearance. This is exactly the kind of design upgrade that fans have been eagerly anticipating for a long time. Consumers are drawn to minimalistic and sleek aesthetics, and Nothing clearly understands that. The company has built its whole identity around standing out through distinctive and bold design choices. Judging by this glimpse, this new phone seems to be the natural evolution of that design philosophy, taking their vision to the next level. Just when it seemed like things couldn't get any more exciting, Carl Pei, the co-founder of Nothing, stirred up even more anticipation by dropping a major hint about the release timeline for the upcoming Nothing Phone 3. In a recent post, he suggested that the much-awaited device is set to make its debut in July 2025. While he didn't reveal an exact launch date, the month aligns perfectly with the company's past release pattern. Or if we take a closer look, Nothing typically unveils its new phones around the middle of the year, so a July launch would be right on schedule and completely in line with their previous strategy. Now, with the latest bezel leak making rounds and a possible launch month already being talked about, the excitement around the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 is seriously beginning to build up. And this is just the start. More leaks are bound to surface soon. We might get a glimpse of the back design, some details about the internal specs, or maybe even an update to that signature glyph interface. Still, this new front view leak alone makes it clear that Nothing is going for a design that feels bold and minimal at the same time. There's been a lot of buzz and speculation about how Nothing managed to achieve such an ultra-slim bezel design on the upcoming Phone 3. Many tech enthusiasts believe the company could be utilizing Kofkoff chip-on-film technology. In simple terms, this technique involves bending the internal connectors behind the screen, which frees up more space on the front, allowing the display to stretch closer to the edges. This method is typically reserved for premium flagship smartphones due to its complexity and cost. So if Nothing is truly implementing Kof in the Phone 3, it marks a significant step forward for the brand in delivering high-end design at a potentially lower price point. Meanwhile, a recent leak from Rakesh Chakma has provided what appears to be the most detailed glimpse yet into the direction Nothing is taking with the Phone 3. However, it's important to note that, as of now, the company has not officially confirmed any of these details. What are your thoughts on this design? Are you a fan of the updated bezel style? Would love to hear if the new look has you excited, and whether you're thinking about upgrading to the Nothing Phone 3 once it's officially released. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're really curious to see what everyone thinks. If you found this update helpful or interesting, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the latest news. That wraps things up for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Take care, bye.